record on cloud. Okay, it's recording now. Okay. So अभी बस एक मिनट है. So before now let's start the session. Around we are having 40 participants. Wow, that's a good number. First of all, guys, tell me where are you from? Like आप कहाँ से join करें? What is your state? I want to know. Let's see how many similarities are over here. Delhi. तुम्हें से Delhi. Shubham says Noida. Wow. And oh wow, wow, wow. Karnataka, Mumbai. Wow. Germany. Okay. Okay. Mumbai, Kolkata. Uttam is also here. Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka. Wow. Rohtas, Delhi. Wow. Dehradun. Wow. Lots of people from Delhi are over here. Odisha. Uh, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. So अभी आप किसी और के साथ chat नहीं कर पाएंगे. So I make it all panelist. And okay. So let's start this webinar. But before starting, I am having a simple poll for you. एक simple poll जो मैं launch करना चाहता हूँ. So please आप इस poll में बताइए मतलब आपकी age कितनी है? What is your age right now? So this is our table that I created. So please submit your poll inside that. And at the end, I will give this poll to everyone. Wow, we are having 21, 23 response. Wow. Two people are very fast. 25, 26. Wow. Stats are we are having young audience more. We are having more young audience over here. Wow. Okay. 28 people responded. Okay. 80% voted. Okay. Let's end this poll and let me share the results. So guys, are you able to see the poll results? Type yes if you are able to see. Okay. Thank you so much. You are able to see. So this is something that came up in our webinar के मतलब ज़्यादातर जो लोग हैं वो young हैं. So that's something good because मैं यही expect कर रहा था. Okay. So let's start this master class. So let me tell you agenda behind this master class. First of all, we will dive into link building basics. हम basics की बात करेंगे. What are the basic that बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब 5-10 मिनट में cover हो जाएगा because I know lots of people know about it. अगर यहाँ पे कुछ लोग होंगे then we will continue that. After that, we will go to research part, how you can research your link prospect, then approach part, then psychology part, then strategy. So this is all about the agenda of today's webinar. So let's start. So before I starting, like I want to introduce myself. So I will make it very quick. I am Sharaz Singh, 18-year-old kill blogger by profession with having a deep interest in entrepreneurship, blah, blah, blah. I know you did not want to listen. This is something that you need to listen. I am mentioned on websites like Crowd Content, your magazine, that's a physical magazine, and Search Engine Watch, that is one of the top SEO news site. So this is something that I established in on my journey of 4 years. So let's go ahead. So I want to know something like, are you serious enough to continue your journey with me? Because मैं इसीलिए बोल रहा हूँ because I know lots of people यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे, बहुत सारे strategies सीख के चले जाएंगे, but at then क्या होगा वो कुछ भी implement नहीं करेंगे and then उनको कोई एक result नहीं आएगा. So first of all, I want you to make a commitment. Say commitment in the chat box. So you will commit to me like you are serious enough and you will follow all the strategy that I am going to give you today. Wikipedia link. Yeah, sure. Wikipedia is covered inside. Commitment. Wow. Commitment. Wow. You people are spamming my inbox right now. Wow. Raj, Rahul, Ramesh. Wow. Ramesh is also here. He is also my inner circle part. Wow. So let's go to next presentation. And now we'll be talking about like if you stay till the end, I am having a very good gift for you. The gift is आपको मैं templates दूंगा that I use for outreaching and I will tell you how to use that templates. सब कुछ आपको बताया जाएगा if you stay till the end. So this is something. So let's begin. So I want your permission to start this entire course or webinar. Just type yes if you give me permission to start this entire course. Wow. Yeah, yes. Start it. Hooray. Wow. You people are so engaging. Wow. So before I start, there are 3 types of link building. As you all maybe know, there are 3 types of link building: white hat link building, gray hat link building, and black hat link building. And in this entire workshop, we are going to cover about white hat link building. So white hat link building, because that's something that is more sustainable, help you in a long term. And if you are in a short term, then I will do webinar on black hat link building as well. But this particular webinar, this particular masterclass is entirely based on white hat link building. So someone said, do you think about link pyramids still? Yeah, it works. Honestly, I am using it, it works, but there is a different ways of using it. So that I will explain in further. Sometime I will do some webinars, I will explain in that. Okay. So session is all about white hat link building. So before I start, there are 4 factors that I consider while I am getting link from a particular site. So let me tell you all the 4 factors. First one is authority of a linking page or a site. Okay, Hindi. So guys, before I start, like lots of people are telling, please Hindi, I am weak in that. Okay, पहले आप मुझे बताइए, all the people over here, please tell me, yeah, English audience is also there. Okay, I will do a mixed match. Okay, I will do a mixed match. Okay, so first of all, the authority of linking page or site. मतलब आप जिस पेज से लिंक ले रहे हैं अपने ब्लॉग के ऊपर, that is something that matter most. And you know what? अगर आप जिस पेज से आप लिंक ले रहे हैं, दैट्स मोर अथॉरिटेटिव वन. बिकॉज अगर आप मान लीजिए, अगर लेट मी टेल यू समथिंग, अगर आप एक ब्लॉग पे जाते हैं, आई विल शो यू हाउ यू कैन फाइंड द अथॉरिटी ऑफ साइट इफ यू आर यूजिंग टूल्स लाइक Ahrefs और Uber suggest as well. So authorities mean like अगर आप entrepreneur.com से बैकलिंक ले रहे हैं, देन उस साइट की अथॉरिटी इतनी ज्यादा है कि उनके पेज खुद से ही अथॉरिटेटिव होंगे. बट यू नो व्हाट, इफ यू आर गेटिंग लिंक फ्रॉम अ साइट, अगर आप एक ऐसी साइट से लिंक ले रहे हैं जिसका मतलब एक पेज बहुत ज्यादा पावरफुल है, तो उस पेज से भी आपको इफेक्टिवनेस होगा. इट्स ऑल अबाउट अथॉरिटी लिंक where you can get, maybe it's from page, maybe it's from site. So how you can define? So let me tell you something, like if you are using Ahrefs tool, go to Ahrefs in Site Explorer, put the site, and there will be option in the left column, आपको एक option मिलेगा best by links. Click on that, the more powerful pages you will get. Relevancy is the key. The more relevant you will make your content to that content, the more powerful the link will be. Relevancy is something that is really good. Yeah, PBN will be discussed in the Q&A part. Okay. Velocity, everything, like your questions will be discussed in the Q&A part, because presentation ऐसे बनाई गई है कि most of the things जो आपके मन में होंगी वो सभी निकल जाएंगी. So that will be in the end part. Okay. Then anchor text optimize. Velocity is most important. Like someone tell me, like Sharaj, क्या मैं एक दिन में 1000 backlinks बना सकता हूँ? I said, yeah, you can do. First of all, give me your traffic. He said, okay. So he's having around 200 visitors per month. Like, I said, like, what the fuck, man? How you are doing this? Like I said, like think of from a perspective. Think of logically. Okay, just think. Okay, if 20 you are having 1000 people on your page, आपके पास 1000 लोग आपके पेज पे आ रहे हैं, then hardly you will get 10 links. 10 लिंक तक उसको माना जा सकता है. Maybe ब्लॉगर से उनको कंटेंट अच्छा लगे. अगर 200 लोग ही आ रहे हैं तो 1000 लिंक कैसे हो गए? This is something that is logical in thinking. So I said velocity is something जो कि आपको धीरे धीरे ग्रो करनी चाहिए. एंड velocity फाइंड करने का सबसे अच्छा रूल होता है रूल ऑफ 20%. तो रूल ऑफ 20% क्या होता है कि आपकी जो साइट है, योर साइट की जो मतलब जितना आपके पास ट्रैफिक है, सपोज मेरी एक वेबसाइट है उससे सिर्फ 500 का ट्रैफिक है, बट आई एम मेकिंग शिट लॉट ऑफ मनी. आई विल नॉट डिस्क्लोज द साइट, बट या आई एम मेकिंग शिट लॉट ऑफ मनी. आई रिसेंटली फ्लिप्ड दैट साइट. सो उस पे 500 का हार्डली ट्रैफिक था, बट आई वाज मेकिंग मनी. ओके, अगर 500 का ट्रैफिक है, अगर मैं 10 से 12 लिंक्स बनाता हूं मंथली, दैट्स गुड. पर अगर वहीं पे मैं 100 लिंक्स बना सकता हूं, देन दैट्स नॉट समथिंग नेचुरल. 20% में 20% ट्रैफिक पे आप ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं, पर 20% के ऊपर भी आपको धीरे धीरे जाना है. पहले दिन से 20% के ऊपर नहीं जा सकते. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज ओके, स्लो. ओके, स्लो. आई विल गो स्लो. बहुत सारे वेंडर लिंक सेल करते हैं. या ब्रदर, I will keep that in the last part of the presentation, right? So I know your energy is really great. Okay, so next part is anchor text optimization. How many of you know about anchor text optimization? Just give me 1 in the chat box if you know. Give me a 0 if you did not. अगर आपको नहीं पता कि anchor text optimization क्या है, 0. 1 0 1. Okay. So anchor text optimization क्या होता है? मीन अगर आप एक पेज पे लिंक ले रहे हैं तो हर कोई आपके मेन कीवर्ड पे लिंक तो नहीं करेगा. तो वो अलग अलग टाइप से लिंक करेगा. मे बी चेक दिस साइट फॉर गेट योर किलो डाइट प्लान. keto diet plan will be anchor text. Go for healthambition.com for your. तो ऐसे आपको अलग अलग डिवर्सिफाई करना होता है. So that's something that you need to do. So lots of people are having this query, so I solved this one. Okay. So इसके ऊपर हम Q&A में बहुत ज़्यादा in depth में बात करेंगे, but main part is strategies. So before I start, all strategies in this master class are outreaching strategies. And if you are someone who are thinking यार कुछ ऐसा बता देंगे कि रातों रात लिंक्स बन जाएंगे, that's not possible brother. वो पॉसिबल नहीं होगा बिकॉज ये व्हाइट हैट लिंक बिल्डिंग है. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन एनीथिंग जो कि आपकी साइट को पेनलाइज करवा दे. सो आई एम नॉट समवन जो आपको हर एक चीज ऐसी बताएगा, बट या मैं कुछ आपको ऐसी चीजें बताऊंगा दैट विल हेल्प यू इन that will help you on your authority side. If you are building an authority site, like I know lots of people over there. Ramesh is building authority site, Tej is building authority site, wow, lots of people over here are building authority site. तो उन्हीं पे वर्क करेंगे एंड हम उन स्ट्रेटजीज पे बात कर सकते हैं, बट इन द Q&A पार्ट. सो दैट विल बी इन द एंड. सो यू नो मैं भी आपको बहुत सारे लिंक बिल्डिंग स्ट्रेटजीज देने वाला हूँ. अराउंड आपको इतनी सारी स्ट्रेटजीज मिल जाएंगी, यू विल बी गेट ओवरवेल्म्ड. यार मैं किससे स्टार्ट करूँ? ओके, सो मैं किससे स्टार्ट करूँ? सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू फॉर दैट इज ओके 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 प्लीज बैठ जाओ. नहीं भाई, आज खड़े होके वेबिनार करेंगे. फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम डूइंग अ वेबिनार लाइक जो मैं खड़े होके वाला आई एम स्टैंडिंग अप एंड डूइंग अ वेबिनार. ओके, सो आई द गोल बिहाइंड दिस इसके आपको आपकी बेस्ट लिंक बिल्डिंग प्रैक्टिस लेनी है. आपको बहुत सारे तरीके बताए जाएंगे, लेकिन आपको सिर्फ एक ही इंप्लीमेंट करना है. बिकॉज अगर आप ज्यादा चीजें इंप्लीमेंट करेंगे then it will आपके दिमाग के बाहर भी जाएगा and you will be not able to perfect one thing. So start with one, then you can scale it. So before that I want to tell you something. Okay, जो साइकोलॉजी मतलब बंदे के दिमाग में क्या चलता है वो आपकी साइट को लिंक करेगा. just tell me something like not this thing, just think of from your mind कि वो कौन सी चीजें हैं जिनको देख के लोग आपको लिंक करेंगे. Tell me in the chat and let me take some water at that time. It will be available but for premium members. I will tell you something that you can do. Yeah, skyscraper is something that backlink ko discovered. Yeah, okay voice problem. Okay, yeah. Okay, we will talk about that, right? The PBN part. Yeah, you are saying this and you are telling the same thing. Just give me some different reason. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, authority of a site. If you are having a very authoritative site in a niche, जैसे मैं अभी एक साइट बिल्ड कर रहा हूँ for email marketing, that will completely later on email marketing. That is my personal domain shiraz.com. तो उसके ऊपर पूरी email marketing के ऊपर बात होगी. So अगर मैं उसे grow कर गया, then that will be a site that will be authority in a email marketing niche. और email marketing के ऊपर कोई भी चीज अगर किसी को चाहिए रहेगी, then they will go to my site shiraz.com. You can follow that as well. I will give you link in the end. Okay, so that's authority site and email marketing niche जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा competitive है. Let me tell you, like sites like Entrepreneur are there, fully competitive niche, but I will crush it. I'm giving a commitment, I can crush it. Okay, you will not be able to see the chat because I disable chat for everyone. Okay, your site, you need to go for black hat then. Okay, what's your name? Beauty. Okay. Then second thing, trending topics. Like if you are having a trending topic, let me tell you something. Like अभी iPhone 11 आया है. अगर iPhone 12 यानी 12 आ रहा है, then what you will do? अगर आप उसके बारे में सबसे पहले पोस्ट लिख देते हैं, or you will do something कि आप iPhone 12 आ रहा है, and what you will do? Okay, like iPhone 12 is coming up. You posted a picture of iPhone 12. Like the post will be trend off. Like I kept on sharing this thing. Like मैंने देखा कि एक अथॉरिटी साइट ने मतलब सिंपल न्यूज साइट थी. दैट इज वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड. आई वांट टू टेल यू. सो उसे कहीं से iPhone 11 की पिक्स मिल गई. सो व्हाट ही डिड, ही पोस्टेड द पिक्स. रातों रात उसकी वेबसाइट पे 1 लाख प्लस का ट्रैफिक था बिकॉज ही पोस्टेड iPhone 11 टिप एंड दैट्स अ ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक. ही ट्रैक्ड लॉट्स ऑफ बैकलिंक, लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग एंड उसका जो वेबसाइट था वो टॉप पे था. एंड थर्ड थिंग इज स्काईस्क्रैपर. well first thing is authority. अगर आप या तो उस niche में सबसे बड़े बन जाओ. सेकंड, या आपको ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक चाहिए. एंड थर्ड इज स्काईस्क्रैपर. सबसे अच्छा कंटेंट बना दो जो कहीं एग्जिस्ट ना करता हो. This is something that you need to do. These are 3 steps अगर आपको बनाना है तो you can take a quick screenshot over here. Okay, I'm giving you 3 seconds. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so these are 3 things that give you links. अगर आपके पास ये 3 चीजें हैं अपने पेज के अंदर, then you are it's very easy process for you. Like people say, या outreach में ना कर देते हैं, क्यों करते हैं वो? Because they do not see any kind of authority in your site. अगर आप उनको आपकी साइट के अंदर एक authority दिखेगी, like KGF Part 2, yeah, you can say that, right? तो अगर उनको आपकी साइट के अंदर अथॉरिटी या कुछ दिखेगा, दैट्स व्हाई दे लिंक यू। लाइक कभी कभी होता है कि यार कोई बंदा आता है, वो नया नया स्टार्ट किया है, तो मैं भी कभी कभी दे देता हूँ, दैट्स नॉट अ केस। बट आपको अगर ये 3 चीज आपके कंटेंट के अंदर है, देन नो वन कैन स्टॉप यू टू गेट द क्वालिटी लिंक्स। So building relationships, it's not about building links, it's about building a relationship. अगर आपका किसी साइट ओनर के साथ रिलेशनशिप बन जाता है, सपोज यहाँ पे कितने लोग हैं, currently we are having around 45 people over here. So let me choose a random guy. So यहाँ पे अखिल है। So okay, अखिल, अगर अखिल मान लीजिए एक प्रो ब्लॉगर है, मान लीजिए बहुत बड़े ब्लॉगर हैं इस देश के अंदर, and you know अखिल, अगर आपकी साइट को अगर मैं लिंक दूं, मतलब आप, अगर मैं आपकी साइट से लिंक लेना चाहता हूं, आई विल ट्राई टू बिल्ड अ रिलेशन। सो हाउ आई विल डू दैट? सो लेट मी टेल यू माय स्ट्रेटजी। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, उसके पोस्ट पे जाओ, उसके पोस्ट को ट्विटर पे शेयर करो, उसको टैग करो, देन एक वीक बाद उसको फिर से शेयर करो ऑन डिफरेंट सोशल मीडिया, केप्ट ऑन शेयरिंग। तो क्या होगा, जैसे ही बंदा, आपको बस एक चीज एक्सपेक्ट करनी है, जैसे ही बंदा वो लाइक कर दे आपकी पोस्ट, या फिर आपकी पोस्ट पे वो कमेंट कर दे, व्हेन ही विल डू दैट यू विल गेट टू नो, ओके, इसको पता है कि मैंने इसकी पोस्ट लाइक किया है। नाउ हम क्या करते हैं, हमारी क्या गलती होती है कि हम पहले जाके अप्रोच करते हैं, वी डू नॉट गिव एनी काइंड ऑफ वैल्यू, बट आई एम गिविंग देम अ वैल्यू। अगर मैं उनको वैल्यू दूंगा, दैट्स व्हाई दे विल गिव मी अ लिंक। Link exchange is something that you can do, but that the stuff that I am teaching you, that you will get nowhere. Okay, so अभी क्या है, अभी मैं बताता हूँ। so मैंने क्या किया, एक ग्रुप, मैं ओपनली रिवील नहीं करूंगा, बट एक ग्रुप पे मेरा पोस्ट शेयर हुआ था। यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज मैंने उससे रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड किया था। तो मैंने कैसे किया, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैंने क्या किया, उनके ब्लॉग पे मैं रोज जाता था, एक कमेंट करता था, रोज जाता था, कमेंट करता था, रोज जाता था, कमेंट करता था। तो इससे क्या हुआ, तो बंदे को पता चला, अच्छा मतलब ये बंदा एक रेगुलर रीडर है, ओके, ही इज कमेंटिंग। देन आई शेयर्ड हिज पोस्ट, तो वहां पे भी वो बंदे ने लाइक किया। देन थर्ड पार्ट व्हाट आई डिड, आई डायरेक्टली अप्रोच्ड हिम ऑन मैसेंजर। आई सेड लाइक, हे गाय, व्हाट्स अप, एंड आई वांट टू पोस्ट अ गेस्ट पोस्ट इन योर ब्लॉग, प्लीज गिव मी अपॉर्चुनिटी। ही सेड यस। Like his blog is having more than 1 lakh traffic, and I publish guest post on that blog because of this strategy. Because of this strategy. Mangesh bhai Jindabad. Like, yeah, he also shared, but he is not that one. So this is something that I did. So lots of people are saying light issue ho raha hai. Okay, okay, I don't know actually what is happening. So आप ये कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप क्या कर सकते हैं, तो एक डिफरेंट स्ट्रेटेजी है, बट व्हाट आई डिड इज कि उनको एक पहले लिंक दे दो, अपने वेबसाइट के अंदर लिंक दो, उन्हें बोलो, हे भाई, हे बड़ी, व्हाट्सएप, आई जस्ट लिंक दिस, कैन यू प्लीज शेयर इट ऑन सोशल मीडिया। वो शेयर करेगा, आपको ऑडियंस भी मिलेगी, प्लस यू आर बिल्डिंग अ रिलेशनशिप। व्हेन यू हैविंग अ रिलेशनशिप यू कैन डू एनीथिंग। मोर ओवर, अगर आप ब्लॉगर के साथ एक रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड कर लेते हैं, ही विल हेल्प यू टू गेट लिंक फ्रॉम अदर ब्लॉग्स एज वेल। अदर ब्लॉग्स मतलब, अगर मान लो मेरे किसी के साथ कनेक्ट है, वो आगे किसी और के साथ कनेक्ट होगा, आई विल टेल यू, कैन यू हेल्प मी टू गेट अ कनेक्शन विद हिम? Like he will, why will say no? Like it's all about building a network, building a relationship, right? So this is something that's crazy, and I think lots of people are not know about this strategy. So this is one strategy. So type yes in the chat box if you know, if you like this strategy, building a relationship. By the way, I'm having more advanced part of it. Type yes in the chat box. In the chat, Ramesh say yes. Wow. Yes, yes. Samir say yes, 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 yes. Prince say yes, 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 yes. Wow, 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 wow. Like पहले तो लगता है कि कमेंट आएगा ही, लेकिन जब आते पूरा स्पैम कर देते हैं. Like full of yes. Wow, loved it, loved it, loved it, loved it. Now this is something that was my mistake, and I want to tell you that. Okay, so what happened is कि जब मैंने नया नया आया था, तो उसमें क्या हुआ, बट व्हाट हैपेंड इज कि मैं मतलब जब नया नया लिंक बिल्डिंग में आया, नया नया मतलब मैं अपनी स्टार्टिंग कर रहा था अपने, मैं ब्लॉगिंग में, तो मैं क्या करता था, और डायरेक्टली उनको पिच करता था। एंड समवन कभी कभी क्या होता था, मुझे ब्लॉक भी कर देते थे। लाइक आई विल नॉट गिव यू द नेम, बट बहुत बड़े 3 इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हमारी इंडस्ट्री में मुझे ब्लॉक करके रखा है, बिकॉज आई आउटरीच दैट। सो दिस इज नॉट थिंग दैट यू नीड टू डू। सो वही चीज हुई कि क्या करना था और क्या हो गया, क्या से क्या हो गया। So this is something that happened to me, and I did not want कि आपके साथ भी वो चीजें हो. Okay, so पहले give a value in first, then ask for a link. Okay, okay, okay. Find bloggers in your industry. So बहुत सारे लोगों को डाउट होता है like how to find bloggers in their industry. So okay, same thing happened with me. Shout me out. Yeah, you can relate. Yeah, that is something that happened over time. Like होता है. New bloggers mistake करते हैं, but yeah, that is something happen. Now, tell me something. How you find bloggers in your industry? Give me one or something like that. Like कैसे आप find करते हैं? Facebook groups. Good. Okay. Wow. Email. Email is good one, but yeah, email is not a, you can say, active source of getting, because email पे क्या है आजकल लोग स्पैम करते हैं. अगर आप नील पटेल को ईमेल पे रीच करेंगे वो नेवर कभी रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करेगा. वो खुद बताता है कि 20,000 से ज्यादा आउटरीच मेल्स मुझे रोज आती है. गूगल सर्च गुड वे. सो लेट मी टेल यू एडवांस मेथड. इसका मैं स्क्रीनशॉट लगाने वाला था, बट आई क्या हुआ ना कि पीपीटी में सही बता रहा हूँ 15 मिनट पहले बनी है, जस्ट बिफोर 15 मिनट बिफोर दिस सेशन. तो स्क्रीनशॉट लगाने का टाइम नहीं मिला, सो सॉरी फॉर दैट. बट कितने लोगों के साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि मतलब कुछ आपको डिलीवर करना था एंड मतलब एंड टाइम पे वो चीजें हो रही हैं एकदम मतलब 10 से 15 मिनट पहले. बट टाइप वन, गिव मी अ वन एंड लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी पीपल आर हैविंग दिस सेम क्वेरी. One, Manas says yes. Roshan Tiwari says yes. Roshan is also there. Wow, yes, 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 yes. It's okay. By the way, sorry for that. So I can tell you how to do that. So आपको क्या करना है, मैं आपको 3 स्ट्रेटजीज दूंगा. फर्स्ट स्ट्रेटजी इज कि आपको क्या करना है, एचरएफ आप यूज करते होंगे. एचरएफ पे जाइए, एक टॉप इन्फ्लुएंशियल साइट लाइए. लाइक समवन मेंशन शाउट मी लाउड ओवर हियर. Type shoutmeloud.com over there, then go and competing domains. You will get tons of relevant site, and that are not that authority one, yeah, but those are some influencers in your industry. You can contact them because they are giving links to Shout Me Loud. I mean, they are competitors of Shout Me Loud, but that is a, you can say, up level. How you can find at this level, a mediocre level? For that, what you can do? Shout Me Loud type कीजिए, go in their backlinks. देखिए कौन से लोग उनको backlinks दे रहे हैं. तो मतलब अगर कोई नॉर्मल ब्लॉगर होंगे वो they will definitely give up backlink to Shout Me Loud, but मैंने देखा जो competing sites होती हैं वो backlinks जल्दी जल्दी नहीं देते हैं. तो इस चीज में क्या है, वो आपको वैसी वेबसाइट्स वहां पे मिल जाएंगी. You need to do a deep research, but this is something that you can do. So this is strategy number 2, and strategy number 3 is very good. That someone mentioned over here, Facebook group. But how you can do in Facebook groups? Like, you know, आपको सिर्फ एक ब्लॉगर के साथ कनेक्शन बनाना. It's about one connection. You are just one connection away. एक connection बनाना है, and that will connection will help you to connect with lots of other influential people in your industry. So, okay, before I do that, like I want to know something. Like आप किस niche के अंदर काम करते हैं? Niche mean direct niche नहीं, like something like you are into fitness or something like that. एक micro overview नहीं, थोड़ा up level पे. Let me tell me something, and I will tell you how you can do that. Someone said keto, travel is good. Travel niche bloggers are very easy to find. Just type something, my trip to this, my trip to this, my trip to this in Google, and you will find lots of travel bloggers. Outdoor, yeah, same thing. Lyrics, what the lyrics? You are not able to find anything in lyrics, buddy. Tech is something that you can do. Go in some technology group, you will see people sharing their links. I mean, not a popular blog, but you can go for trips. And if you are into food, then there are lots of Facebook group related food or keto diet. Go there and see, like this is the owner, and you will find that then आपको पूरा क्या है ना, अगर आपको 3 हफ्ते भी लगते हैं, अगर आपको पहला कनेक्शन आपको मिल जाता है, तो that is something जो आपको बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करेगा. And there is a concept that I learned from a book called Traffic Secrets, Dream 100. Create a list of your Dream 100 customer, Dream 100 clients. So Dream 100 क्या होता है कि आपको अपने जो 100 कस्टमर्स हैं, जो 100 क्लाइंट्स हैं जो आपको सबसे ज्यादा रेवेन्यू देंगे, उनकी आपको एक लिस्ट क्रिएट करनी है. So बट आपको उनको नहीं बताना you are in their Dream 100, but आपको धीरे धीरे कनेक्ट करना है. And I am connected with my 20 Dream 100 clients yet, and हर महीने में एक दो से कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. And स्पीड अभी बढ़ रही है धीरे धीरे as I'm establishing authority and in this market. But yeah, this is something that is happening. Voice issue. So what's happening, buddy? थोड़ा explain करो. So anyone facing voice issue over here, type 1 over here, okay? If you're facing any kind of voice issue. Okay, you are facing voice issue. No, one, no, yes. Breaking. So let me see what I can do. That okay. You are getting voice issues, right? Now it's good. Thoda. Okay, let me see what I can do over here. Yes. Okay. Just wait a minute. Let me do some optimizations. अभी बताएं, अभी वॉइस कैसी है? अभी वॉइस पहले से इंप्रूव है? अगर इंप्रूव है टाइप 1 एंड टाइप 0 इफ इट्स नॉट इंप्रूव्ड yet. Repull your mic. Improved. Wow. Yes, improved. It's improved from the back. From अगर पहले से ज़्यादा improve हो चुका है ये. Just give me a I. Just give me a I. Last confirmation. Okay. Thank you so much. तो थोड़ा बहुत टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ होता रहता है. Strategies. We are at favorite part of this. और ये जो part है वो बहुत बड़ा होने वाला है. Because जो पहले चीजें थी मैंने जल्दी में कवर की ताकि मैं ये चीजें कवर कर पाऊँ. So किसको जाना है, मतलब कौन जाना चाहता है about strategies? How many of you know about my strategies that you can use? Type strategy in the chat box. Good. Wow. कितने लोगों को लगता है कि मैं ज्यादा तेज बोल रहा हूँ? Type give me a one if I am too fast. Prince say one. Okay. Okay. यार कभी कोई क्या है? Someone is saying yes or no. Okay, let me go to a stable speed. Okay, give me a fast if I am fast. Okay. Skyscraper link building. कितने लोग जानना चाहते हैं about skyscraper link building? I know most of the people know about it, but this is something that is need to cover in upfront. Me. Type give me a one if you do not know about it. Otherwise, I will skip it. Give me a one in the chat box. Okay, like ones are also here. Okay. So skyscraper link building is nothing. It's about building a skyscraper. Skyscraper is something that's the building that touch the sky, right? Building a top-notch content. You need to build top-notch content that engage with the users. मतलब यूजर्स के साथ engage करे. And that is something जिसमें सब कुछ cover हो. अगर आप SEO सर्च करेंगे, then you will get a content by Backlinko, जो कि fully skyscraper है. That's something जो कि एक no-brainer offer है. मतलब एक ऐसा कंटेंट बनाना है जो उस इंडस्ट्री में टॉप पे हो. लाइक इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बेस्ट एंटरप्रेन्योरियल बुक्स, तो अगर मैं उसमें लिखूं 101 एंटरप्रेन्योरियल बुक्स, सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट्स नो ब्रेनर. लाइक पीपल विल थिंक लाइक यार 101 किताबें जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को पढ़नी चाहिए. So let me have that. By the way, I am also having these books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 books I am having now. And one more thing I want to tell you. I just got this book from Amazon. I did not open it yet. ओके, तो स्काईस्केपर कुछ नहीं है. आपको ऐसा कंटेंट जनरेट करना है दैट्स टॉप नॉच इन द इंडस्ट्री. ओके, यू हैव टू क्रिएट अ कंटेंट दैट्स अ टॉप नॉच इन योर इंडस्ट्री. वाह. ओके, थोड़ा स्लो बोलो यार. ठीक है. ओके, स्काईस्केपर इज समथिंग जो कि आप टॉप नॉच है अपनी इंडस्ट्री में. तो एग्जांपल अगर मैं आपको दूं, अगर मान लीजिए 101 लिंक बिल्डिंग टूल्स, अगर मैं इसके ऊपर कंटेंट लिख रहा हूँ, मतलब ये डेफिनेटली ये रैंक कर सकता है. बट बहुत सारे अदर फैक्टर्स भी हैं, लाइक गूगल एलएलपी एल्गोरिदम होता है, काफी बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. दैट विल बी एक्सप्लेन्ड इन द लेटर पार्ट. आई विल टेल यू अबाउट दिस थिंग्स, बट या दैट विल बी एक्सप्लेन्ड इन द लेटर पार्ट ऑफ दिस सेक्शन. वाओ. या. ओके, स्काईस्क्रेपर टेक्निक कितनों लोगों को पता चल गया? गिव मी अ 1. एंड अगर आपको नहीं पता चला, गिव मी अ 0. 1. Now it will be spam. Oh, okay. So okay, someone said okay, skyscraper is nothing. It's the biggest content and the most valuable content in the industry. Like अगर मैं वाईफाई राउटर्स के ऊपर लिख रहा हूँ, like different issues are coming. Like वहाँ पे राउटर है, यहाँ पे बुक्स है, हाँ काफी सारी चीजें यहाँ पे रखी हुई हैं, तो उन्हीं को बोल के मैं बोल रहा हूँ अभी। तो अगर आप मान लीजिए कि लिखते हैं कि लाइक 101 वाईफाई राउटर, तो दैट्स नॉट अ स्काई स्क्रैपर। बिकॉज अगर मान लीजिए अगर आप कोई बंदा राउटर खरीदने आ रहा है तो मैक्सिमम आप उसको 10 दिखा सकते हैं, 15 दिखा सकते हैं। अगर आप ज्यादा दिखाएंगे तो दैट्स अगेंस्ट यूजर इंटेंट। बट अगर आप उसका एसईओ टूल्स दिखाएंगे, समथिंग लाइक 10 फैक्ट्स अबाउट एसईओ, अगर आप ऐसी कुछ चीजें दिखाएंगे तो दैट्स समथिंग जो कि yeah, you can say he's a king, but I know someone who is king of that niche. Okay, so that's a skyscraper. Skyscraper is nothing, right? आपको बस कुछ नहीं करना, इंडस्ट्री का टॉप नॉच कंटेंट बनाना, the content that kills everyone. Okay, so again give me a, if अगर आपको समझ नहीं आए, give me a 0, I will explain again, or give me a 1, that's all. 1 1 1 1 1, no zeros at all. Okay, so we can go on next slide. Okay, thank you so much buddy. हैरो, लाइक हैरो इज समथिंग जो जिसने मुझे हेल्प किया था क्राउड कंटेंट के ऊपर फीचर होने के लिए। सो हैरो क्या होता है? हैरो इज अ हेल्प अ रिपोर्टर आउट। देयर इज अ सर्विस कॉल्ड helpareporterout.com। तो सर्विस में क्या होता है, मतलब बहुत सारे जो ऑथर्स होते हैं, रिपोर्टर्स होते हैं न्यूज साइट्स के, उनको कंटेंट के लिए कुछ लोग चाहिए रहते हैं, तो वहां पे वो रिक्वेस्ट डालते हैं एंड आपको क्या होता है, रोज एक ईमेल आएगा लाइक दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू नीड टू फिल अप। अगर आप इसको फिल करेंगे देन यू विल गेट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू गेट फीचर देयर। बट हैरो बहुत ही ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है। लेट मी टेल यू, कन्वर्जन रेट इज ओनली 2%। what I mean by 2%, so let me tell you, मान लीजिए अगर 100 लोग, आप मतलब आप 100 लोगों को लिख के पूरा भेजते हैं, आपको लिख के भेजना पड़ता है वहां पे, कम से कम हर 400 से 500 वर्ड्स का कंटेंट आपको वहां पे लिख के भेजना है। और अगर आपका अप्रूव होगा तो ठीक है, अगर रिजेक्ट हो गया तो नो बेनिफिट ऑफ दैट कंटेंट। तो दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू नीड टू डू। मतलब अगर आपका एक भी हैरो चल गया, मतलब आप एक अथॉरिटी साइट से बैकलिंक लेंगे एंड दैट लिंक इज वेरी पावरफुल, मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट। हाँ, कंटेंट लिखने पे लिंक नहीं देते, आई नो सम पीपल डू दैट। जस्ट अगर रिक्वायरमेंट देखेंगे तो वहां पे लिखा रहता है भाई, लाइक मैंने हर बार लिंक मिला है एक्सपेक्ट वन टाइम, बिकॉज वहां पे लिखा भी नहीं था। वाओ वाओ, सो हैरो इज समथिंग दैट्स प्रीटी गुड अगर आपको अथॉरिटी लिंक्स चाहिए, बट इसमें मेहनत उतना ही ज्यादा है। लाइक बोरिंग थिंग्स गिव यू मोर रिजल्ट्स। I don't know what the author name is, but there is a one guy, he is a millennial investor. He said like boring things give you more good results, like excellent results. Okay, आपको लिंक मिला है कभी for motivation? I am telling you, I got featured on crowd content because of that link, because of that thing. I got link from Yelp magazine from that thing. I got a link from what that site name is. I forgot the site name. James, I know. James something that is. I got linked. Like I did 100 plus things, but yeah, that is something that happened. Okay. So Hero is something जो कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा रिजल्ट देगा, बट यू नीड टू फोकस इट ऑन मोर, और बहुत ही ज़्यादा मेहनत इसमें लगती है। अगर आप सस्टेन, एंड आई डू नॉट रिकमेंड यू क्योंकि आप शुरू में इसमें कूदे, बिकॉज अगर आपकी साइट की अथॉरिटी नहीं होगी देन दिस इज समथिंग दैट नॉट वर्क। ओके, हेरो helpareporter.com, आई विल गिव यू लिंक इन द Q&A सेक्शन, तब हम बैठ के बात करेंगे। ओके, श्योर श्योर, थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू। समवन इज आस्किंग, भाई बैठ जाओ, खड़े खड़े थक जाओगे। I'm नहीं थकेंगे भाई आज हम, until this webinar go हम खड़े होकर ही करेंगे। ओके, तो हेल्प अ रिपोर्टर इज समथिंग दैट्स रियली इंप्रेसिव एंड रियली ग्रेट। एंड अगर आप इस चीज को इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहते हैं, सो लेट मी गिव यू अ स्ट्रेटजी। ओके, तो दिस इज समथिंग जो बहुत सारे लोग नहीं देते। अगर आपको हैरो से लिंक चाहिए तो आपको क्या करना होगा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, आप हैरो पे जाइए, मतलब हैरो की साइट पे जाकर रजिस्टर कीजिए। जब आपको कंटेंट आए, आपको जितना जल्दी हो सके उतना जल्दी आपको कंटेंट उनको भेजना है, बिकॉज मैं तो कभी कभी ये भी देखा है। ओके, bloggingfire.com, yogstarter.com, these are two sites you can go and see how I got the link. Okay, newswire, yeah, newswire भी है, G2 crowd, lots of sites are there. By the way, newswire मैं श्योर नहीं हूँ, बट G2 crowd is something that you can go. ओके, सो अभी आपको क्या करना होगा, मतलब आप हैरो पे जाके, मतलब जो फीचर होते हैं, अभी आपको क्या करना है, जब जैसे ही वो डाले। एंड बहुत बड़ी गलती जो मैंने बिगिनिंग में की थी कि भाई वो कुछ वहाँ पे कुछ रूल्स होते हैं कि भाई सिर्फ इसी नीश के अंदर ही हमें वो चाहिए, एक एक्सपर्ट चाहिए रहता है उन्हें। So if you are not expert, अगर आप एक एक्सपर्ट नहीं है, देन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू गेट द लिंक. तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है, उन चीजों को देखते रहना है, और जैसे ही आपको कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले आपको मिस नहीं करना है. जस्ट पोस्ट अ मेल एंड सी, अगर रिजल्ट आया तो ठीक है, नहीं तो कंटेंट समझ लो गया. So this is something that I do. How many of you get to know what help a reporter out? Give me a zero, just zero अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आया. Give me a zero. Wow, एक भी zero नहीं है. Wow, 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 wow. One, 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 one. Okay, thank you Shubham. Thank you Shubham. And thank you. I don't know what the name is. Okay. Reverse harrow. So how many of you know about reverse harrow? Give me a one if you know about it, and give me a zero if you do not know about it. Zero, zero, zero. I know. Okay. So can I unmute you, Sattam? Type yes if I can unmute you. Tell us what is reverse arrow. Give me a yes. Shubham say yes, yes, yes. Okay. So Shubham, okay, Sattam. I am unmuting you, Sattam.
Am I audible? Saraj bhai?
हाँ भाई आप audible हैं. So tell us what is
हाँ.
reverse arrow.
I think as per my knowledge, my experience is अगर आप जब किसी को किसी आउटरीच करते हो, कुछ कंटेंट देते हो, अगर वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं करता तो you can share this particular article, piece of article.
No. नहीं गलत है.
And
Okay. 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 I will explain it. तो शुभम आप ही बता रहे थे. Please type yes. अगर हम आपका भी unmute कर सकता हूँ. Please type yes right now. I want to ask you like what is your level, guys? तो उसी हिसाब से इस वेबिनार को फीचर किया जाएगा. Because it's not about doing a webinar, it's about adding value. I don't know actually. Expired में मेरा ज़्यादा experience है नहीं. So Shubham said yes. Okay. Okay. Allow Shubham to talk. Okay, Shubham Kumar allowed to talk. I don't know. Okay. Okay. So okay. Got it. गलती से कहे हो गया. I think you will explain. मैं मजा आ जाता अगर कोई explain कर देता, because इस चीज को मैंने भी बहुत मुश्किल से सीखा है. So guys, I don't know. I am audible right now. Just tell me. So I will explain you reverse harrow. Wow, Charu say yes. Like engagement is pretty good. Like guys, I want to tell you something. The recording will be available for my inner circle members only, but you will get the opportunity to join this. So stay till the end because lots of value booms are going to be over here. And some कुछ लोग तो यहाँ पे ये भी बोल रहे हैं कि भाई इतना value क्यों? Like I want to help you guys. Really, I want to help people. Like I have seen like मुझे inbox आते हैं like people saying like Sharaz link building क्या होता है, मतलब ये क्या होता है, ये क्या होता है. I said like just do a webinar for my all the audience, and main objective was like Prince is over here. I said him like the main benefit of this is like I will get low DMs and I will be more productive. That's why I'm doing this webinar for all of you. Great. Prince is over here. Like I will unmute you in the end. Okay, tell me what was the case. You can email me sharaz@sharaz.com. In the end we will talk. Okay. So let's start. What is reverse harrow? So harrow में हमने क्या किया था? रिपोर्टर हमको रीच आउट करता है, we give them a reply, but हम इसमें उल्टा करेंगे. We will be a reporter. हम अपनी साइट पे पब्लिश करेंगे आर्टिकल. एंड रिवर्स harrow एक ऐसी चीज है जो आप आज से ही इंप्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं, अभी से. So tell me something like अगर यहाँ पे प्रिंस है, प्रिंस क्रिएट अ राउंड अप पोस्ट. राउंड अप पोस्ट क्या होता है? Like 10, 15, 20 people that tell okay. Wow, Boya, I am having Boya one. Get a blue 80. Okay. So अभी प्रिंस का मैंने देखा है. अगर मैं आपको प्रिंस का ब्लॉग, पता नहीं क्या नाम था, मैं भूल गया उसका, टेक्निकल दक्ष आई थिंक. तो प्रिंस के ब्लॉग पे प्रिंस क्या करता है कि बहुत सारे लोगों को बुलाता है और राउंड अप करवाता है. ही रीच आउट द मैन्युअली. बट एक ऐसी रिवर्स एरो एक ऐसी टेक्निक है कि भाई लोग आपको रीच आउट करेंगे कि हमें फीचर करो. सो दिस इज सो पावरफुल गाइस. बहुत ही ज्यादा इफेक्टिव. आई यूज दैट टेक्निक. I got insane result, insane amount of backlinks for my niche site that I sold just 2 months ago. So ये रिवर्स हैरो क्या होता है? You will be a reporter. आप हैरो में जाएंगे, हैरो का पेड सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लीजिएगा. So that needs some budget first of all. So budget in the sense कि आपको एक budget चाहिए. I think $30 to $40 is their charge. Go and register yourself as a reporter. And आपको एक query डालना है कि I am finding 15 keto diet experts in that niche. और उसमें आपको वेबसाइट का URL रिक्वायर्ड करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू गिव वैल्यू. गिव वैल्यू मीन वो आपको सेंड करेंगे आपका रिक्वेस्ट, जैसे हैरो में हम उनको कर रहे थे वो हमें सेंड करेंगे. सो वी विल गेट लॉट्स ऑफ मैसेजेस, लॉट्स ऑफ ईमेल, वी विल गेट एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम देम. Like this is something that's really insane. I got pumped up when I got to know about this strategy. I implemented it right away and बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छे रिजल्ट आए. You know what? I have paid I think $40 to learn this strategy from someone expert. I am giving it to free, you guys. So इसके लिए एक yes तो बनता है. Yes. Give me a thank you or yes, some whatever you can give. Give me a yes. Give me a yes over here. But there is one thing, you know, अगर उस बंदे को पता चला तो मुझे मारेगा. Jokes apart, okay. So what happen is कि मतलब जो हैरो होता है, मतलब इसमें आपको आप उनको रीच आउट करेंगे. $40 is nothing. Like if अगर आप अथॉरिटी साइट रन कर रहे हैं then $40 is nothing, right? एक एफिलिएट सेल्स इतना हो जाता है. So what happen is मतलब आप उनको रिक्वेस्ट डालेंगे. Okay, hi, hey guys, how are you doing? And I am doing this roundup, this. Okay, ये roundup है, आपको ना पोस्ट करना है. And they will reply you. Hi Shairaj, I am this guy. You will get 100+ responses, guys, if you got approved. In 100+ responses, if you select 50 responses, 50 response you will get. Okay, I will explain. Okay, अगर मान लीजिए आपको क्या करना है, एक हैरो पोस्ट करना है. अभी हैरो पोस्ट करके आपको 50 से ज्यादा रिप्लाईज, 50 रिप्लाई मान लीजिए सिलेक्ट होते हैं, आपको 100 रिप्लाईज आते हैं. ठीक है, अभी इतनी ज्यादा आपको जब रिप्लाईज आएंगे, सो व्हाट यू विल डू, आप क्या करेंगे? ओके, यू विल फीचर देम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, गिव देम अ लिंक. आपको कोई ज्यादा नुकसान नहीं होगा, बस देख लेना साइट का थोड़ा, वो आप Q&A पार्ट में डिस्कस कर लेंगे. दैट थिंग जस्ट रिमाइंड मी कि भाई क्या क्या चीजें देखनी चाहिए वेबसाइट को लिंक करने से पहले. ओके, सो क्या होता है, मतलब वो बंदा आएगा, मतलब उसको आपको लिंक करना है, लिंक करके आपको पब्लिश करना है, बोलना है हे buddy, what's up, how you doing, like I published this post and this everything you have to explain, like, and say can you please share it on your social media. Now out of 50, around 40 people will share it. Okay, now 40 people, you are having 40 active prospects, right? Now you have given value in front, give them more value, comment on their post, share their post, things like that. After that, ask them for a link. It's that simple. Like ये strategy सुनने में बहुत आसान लगती है, and आप सोच रहे होंगे कि भाई इस चीज के लिए $40 क्यों दिए, but you know when you will implement it, you will love it, guys. You will love it. So give me a 1 if you like this strategy. Wow. 1. Like Shubham, give me how much? 9 ones. Okay, Kuldeep, say 1. So how many of you are going to implement it? Type yes in the chat box. Type yes if you are going to implement. Today itself do. Like इस चीज को करने के लिए first of all choose the topic. हैरो में रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं, बट इफ यू आर मेकिंग मनी देन यू कैन डू दैट, बिकॉज काफी सारे निशेस ऐसे भी होते हैं जिसमें पैसे भी नहीं होते. काफी सारे निशे ऐसे होते हैं जहाँ पे सिर्फ आप ऑटो कंटेंट पोस्ट करते हैं, ऑटो कंटेंट, यू नो, ऑटो ब्लॉगिंग थिंग, एंड आपकी साइट रैंक करते हैं, यू मेक मनी. बाय द वे, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वांट टू नो अबाउट द निशेस जिनमें स्पिन कंटेंट से भी आप रैंक कर सकते हैं? आई विल गिव यू वन निश. वाओ, लाइक जो यहाँ पे यस कमेंट करेगा उसी को मिलेगा. ऑटो ब्लॉगिंग वर्क नहीं करता, बट इन सम निशेस इट डू. टाइप यस. ओके, जस्ट टाइप यस ओवर हियर. आई वांट अ फुल एंगेजमेंट ओवर हियर. ओके, सो मैं बाद में चैट में जाके देखने वाला हूँ, ठीक है, कितने लोगों ने यहाँ पे यस बोला. देन व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल सी ओके दीस पीपल से यस. ओके, देन आई विल गिव यू the wish list. Okay, that will be given to your in your email inbox, or you can email me at this email address. You can save this, by the way, shahraj@shehraz.com. wow, like some people are here बार बार यस लिख रहे हैं. भाई अब मिल जाएगा आपको, don't worry. You can email me over here and said like I want this niche list. Okay, यहाँ पे ऑटो कंटेंट से पोस्ट रैंक कर सकती हैं। किसने सोचा नहीं था कि ऐसे भी नीचे एग्जिस्ट करते हैं। दैट इज समथिंग कॉल्ड ऑटो ब्लॉगिंग, और ये चीज बहुत ज्यादा कह सकते हैं लोगों ने नहीं बताई। यू नो अथॉरिटी पीपल ये चीजें डिस्क्लोज नहीं करते। ये इस बात पे कितने लोग एग्री करते हैं? गिव मी अ वन, गिव मी अ वन इफ अथॉरिटी पीपल डिड नॉट डू दिस थिंग्स। हाउ विल दे डू दैट, राइट? दे आर आल्सो हैविंग समथिंग साइड इनकम। अगर उनका एक ब्लॉग जाता है तो कुछ ना कुछ तो करना ही है उनको भी। वाह 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 वाह, लाइक फुल्ली सीक्रेट। आज बहुत सारे सीक्रेट्स बताऊंगा आपको, लाइक यू गाइस विल बी अमेज्ड। लाइक आप सोचेंगे यार ये वेबिनार तो पेड होना चाहिए। टेस्टिमोनियल लिंक बिल्डिंग बहुत ही नॉर्मल, बहुत ही ज्यादा यूज किया जाता है, बट अभी भी इफेक्टिव है। आप में से कितने लोगों ने अभी तक टेस्टिमोनियल से लिंक बिल्ड किए हैं? शुभम डिड इट, ओनली वन पीपल। अरे ऑटो ब्लॉगिंग बाद में बात करेंगे भाई, अभी नहीं। आई डिड नॉट वांट टू। अगर मैं इस टॉपिक से स्लिप हो गया ना, मैं गारंटी देता हूँ मैं 2 घंटे ऑटो ब्लॉगिंग के ऊपर आराम से बात कर सकता हूँ। ओके, इट्स नथिंग गाइस, गो टू समवन। लाइक आपको बताता हूँ कैसे आप ब्लॉग्स को फाइंड कर सकते हैं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, मतलब आपको क्या करना है, गूगल में जाना है, ये फ्रेज टाइप करना है, योर नीश प्लस इन यूआरएल। दिस इज द फ्रेज दैट यू नीड टू टाइप, नीश प्लस इन यूआरएल टेस्टिमोनियल। जहाँ पे ये चीजें टाइप करेंगे तो आपको बहुत सारी आपके नीश के अंदर साइट्स मिल जाएंगी दैट आर एक्सेप्टिंग टेस्टिमोनियल। ओके, तो जब आपको निशेस मिल जाएंगी, साइट्स मिल जाएंगी, मेक अ लिस्ट, outreach to them, like read their blog, do some commenting, build some relationship, give some value, then expect a link from them. So this is something that people miss out, like they not give value but give value in front, then you will get the things. Like अगर मैं आपको अगर कुछ सेल करना चाहता हूँ, like you will not buy from me anything, like अगर मैं आपको value ना दूं, right? Give me a yes if that's the case. Like if you met a stranger in the street, like they will say, hey, can you buy this thing, this will help you to make money in the stuff, like you will say, why I will trust you, man? What is your proof? What if I know did not know you? These things happen, right? Oh, like VIP members ज्यादा ही हैं कुछ यहाँ पे। Okay, like VIP members engage करें, बाकी सब सोए हुए हैं क्या? Give me a yes, guys. Otherwise, I am going to remove. Give me a yes. Like, wow, 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 wow. You guys are awesome. Like, let me tell you something. Like, you are an amazing audience. I am loving you guys. I am loving you. I am loving all of you. क्या बात है। So it's time for our next poll. I know कि ये poll कभी भी public नहीं होगा, ये anonymous रहेगा. So I want to know this thing from you. How much you earn from blogging? Because आगे जो strategies आने वाली हैं वो उसी चीज पे बेस होंगी. Mean paid strategies will be there, free strategies will be there. Wow, $500 plus. Like majority. Oh, not in the chat box. Okay, time. Give me a poll. I want all the responses. I will get to know. I will get the list of the people जो नहीं कर रहे हैं, and I am going to remove them because आगे जो stuff आने वाला है बहुत ही ज़्यादा powerful है. It's 100 times powerful than these things. Okay, 15 seconds more, and I will start removing people. Okay, okay, let's start removing people. So that's something. Okay, you having 5 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was an anonymous poll. So let me tell you, like, what are the results? Around 61% in this webinar, people are not making anything in blogging. They are just starters. 4% people are making money. 21% people are making $100 to $500, and only 14% mean 4 people are making $500 plus. So give me a hand if you are $500 plus, because मैंने इसमें आपकी कोई भी डिटेल्स नहीं ली. Thank you. By the way, thank you for poll. So let me remove some people. Remove. I do not want the people that are just here just for sake of saying it. Delete, remove, and remove. Okay. Like कुछ लोग बच गए हैं. Okay यार क्या है? Actually पोल चला गया, मैं रिमूव कर रहा था. पोल का कुछ लिमिटेड टाइम होता. कोई बात नहीं, कुछ लोग बचे हैं, but around 10 people are removed from this. Like we are having around 30 people now. Crowdfunding. How many of you know about crowdfunding link building? This is something my favorite one, because it's not, you are investing and you are making money as well. So let me have some water. Give me a 1 if you know about, give me a 0 if you do not know. No one knows about it. I was expecting someone. Crowdfunding in links, yeah. Like this is something that's mainly that work in micro niche as well. So let me see. Yeah. Okay. How many of you want to start crowdfunding from today? You can start it from today. Give me I. Give me I. Micro niche में, yeah, micro niche work. It works in micro niche. Wow. Wow. Crowdfunding is something that is very important. Like you are investing and you are getting links as well. So crowdfunding is nothing. So crowdfunding के बारे में कितने लोग जानते हैं? Not about link building. What is crowdfunding? Like how much you pay for SEO clerk for crowdfunding links? Can you tell me? Go. No. That not tool, and that tool, and the tool does not work now. Actually, I used it many times, but does not work for me now. Okay, tell me like how you are, like crowdfunding links कैसे ले रहे हैं आप? कितना पे कर रहे हैं हम लोगों को? Okay, I don't know response from there. Okay, so crowdfunding is what? मान लीजिए अभी I am having this phone. Okay, I am having this phone. अभी मान लीजिए इस कंपनी का कल क्राउड फंड निकलता है, भाई everyone can invest in that and minimum fees is $20, $50, $100. Okay, so what I will do, I will go for them and say, okay, I will give you $100. I will give you $100, but you need to give a mention on your site. And they all, most of the company give a mention. They're having a separate crowdfunding page where they're telling, okay, so this is crowdfunding page. So this guy donated $25. This is his website link. This guy is this. Like what do you need to do? Go them, pay them money, and not pay them money directly. First mail them, I will do a crowdfunding. Will you mention me and my site on your website? And those are company sites. You know, the company sites are so powerful. Like, you know, if you got a link from apple.com, you will be amazed. Like I will say, okay, अगर मुझे apple.com से link मिल जाए, मैं मजा आ जाएगा. So that is something that is possible with the help of crowdfunding, but this requires money in your pocket. If you are making some money, then go for it. Okay. So how many of you get to know about crowdfunding? And I will give you one hack as well. Wow. Nice one. अरे video क्या हुआ? Wait a minute, guys. I don't know what happened to video. Okay. Now you're able to see me? Gajab. Thank you, guys. Okay. Wow. Resource page link building. So resource page link building is something that I will tell you. Okay, guys, you are able to get my voice now? Tell me now. Okay, yes, 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 yes. Sorry guys, पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, पहले वीडियो बंद हो गया, अभी माइक, आई डोंट नो. मतलब पहले किसके साथ ऐसा इशू हुआ है? गिव मी अ वन इफ दैट हैपेंड टू यू, इफ यू आर यूजिंग Zoom or something happened that kind of. Give me a zero if it does not happen. सारे एरर्स अपने साथ ही हो रहे हैं आज, कोई नहीं. सो रिसोर्स पेज से पहले मैं अपनी मतलब एक थोड़ी सी स्टोरी सुनाना चाहूंगा. सो रिसोर्स पेज इज समथिंग दैट आई लर्न फ्रॉम अभित. मतलब रिसोर्स पेज बहुत ही ज्यादा इफेक्टिव है, but this is something that will give you tons of shit of links, shit of things. Like this is something that is unrememberable. And you know, resource page is something like, let me explain you the concept. Okay, पता नहीं क्यों अभी मुझे लग रहा है वीडियो गई. वीडियो है यहाँ पे? वीडियो I don't know guys what's happening. Like पता नहीं क्या हुआ, एकदम से वीडियो चल रही थी, वो कैमरा के जो LED लाइट है बंद हो गया. I don't know what is happening. Someone is hacking or not. Okay, boycott Zoom. Brother, I paid a lot of money to Zoom, right? China is hacking your live stream. By the way, how many of you are loving this live stream? Type love. Give me a love in the chat. Wow. Someone said love into 100. Okay, I get to know about something. How many of you understand this? Love into 100. Give me I if you understand this. Love you 3000. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so रिसोर्स पेज क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, उनको मतलब क्या होता है, वो मतलब वो लिंक्स बिल्ड करते हैं. यू नो, आपने कभी देखा है एक न्यूज़ लेटर आता है जिसमें काफी सारे पॉपुलर लिंक्स होते हैं, वीकली न्यूज़ लेटर बोलते हैं, और उसमें काफी सारे लिंक्स होते हैं, न्यूज़ होती है. यू नो अबाउट इट? गिव मी अ वन इफ यू नो अबाउट इट. Yeah, Roshan no. Yeah, so that's kind of resource email. Like that's kind of a resource email. तो उस resource email में क्या होता है? So उस resource email में मतलब आपके पास आता है तो उसमें क्या होता है कि 4-5 links होते हैं. So I can show you an email. Okay, so how many of you want to see a live email that I will show you, a resource, a weekly roundup kind of email? Give me a one. Okay, I'm opening my mailbox. Okay, guys. Wow. Oh, wow. 20 plus mails are over here. Wow. They are spamming my site like anything. Mails are spamming like weak. Something kind of weak. Okay. Newsletter something, I think. Okay, got it. I don't know what exactly it is, but I got one. Okay, guys. Okay. Are you able to see my mail? Give me a one if you're able to see. Like, look at this, bro. Look at this. Like, these people are sending me mail like anything. The newsletter. This is kind of newsletter roundup. Able to see or not? Are you able to see this, guys? So this is something called roundup. Like what these people do, they go site to site. Okay, this is good content. This is some, like make a combination, send it to people. So ये email roundup होता है, but this kind of roundup happen on websites as well. So उसमें क्या होता है, लोग जाते हैं, they find a best content. Okay, best content मिलेगा, and this will happen if you are having a skyscraper content. Okay, तो skyscraper content को promote करने की एक टेक्निक है. So they will go, okay, this is a resource page. Okay, आपको क्या करना है, अभी आपके पास डायरेक्टली तो आने नहीं वाले. Like you know people, like अभी आपकी इतनी अथॉरिटी नहीं है मार्केट में. Like those people directly come to you and say, okay guys, hey, hi Sharaj, can you please, I can give you a link, can you please give a share? No one does that, right? If you are in the beginning stage, you need to be authority in the market or someone who is having a very mess in the market. Give me a yes if you agree with me. Give me a yes. Audio sucks. Okay, like I don't know, guys, but some people are saying audio is good or something is not. If audio is good, give me a 1. If audio is not good, give me a 0. Like everyone is saying yes. Check at your end, brother. So this is something called, okay, someone is saying 0. Well, I don't know actually what is happening. Okay, so now what you need to do, like you are having this, like you are having a roundup or something kind of, right? You are having a roundup. Now how you can go and go, now आप कैसे जाएंगे और एक roundup अपने post को roundup में डालेंगे? How many of you want to know about that? How you people go and tell them, okay, can you add me in your roundup? Hello. No response. Okay, you people are not interested, I think. No single yes. Okay. Can I skip this? You people know about it. Give me a 1 if you know about it. Give me a 0 if you do not know. Like zeros are there. Okay. So how you can reach out? Like first of all, same thing. Give them a value. Do some comment. Share their post. Everything. Do that. You know that shit, right? Like do comment and do everything. Okay. After that, what do you need to do? When you will go there, okay, I shared your content. This is this. Then ask them, hey, can you add this article in your weekly roundup? Just ask them simply, and they people are having a very good intent. How long this webinar? This will go until I have power to stand up. Till 9, you can expect. Yeah, it will go. It all depends on kind of content I am producing. Well, kind of how much I can stand over here. What is the time, by the way? 9. It's 8:30. It's been 1 hour over here. I'm standing. Okay. Yeah, it will be longer than 9, right? So what is resource page link building is? Sorry. Okay. Like lots of people want a recording of this webinar. You know what? This is only for inner circle member. But I'm having a single opportunity in the end. But that's something that's very reasonable, and that is something that you are helping poor people to grow up. I'm having something like that. Okay. Resource page link building. So just go them and ask them, okay, hey, can you add them? And these people are very intentable. Like they're having intent to find the best content and give them in the roundup. And when you are giving them the best content, they will, first of all, you are giving you are making their work done. It's kind of done for you. You are getting a link. Everything is winner winner, and you are giving them such an engagement. Like they will do it. Okay. So how many of you get to know about resource page link building? Give me a 1. Give me a 1. Give me a 1. Quickly, very quickly, very quickly. I want a 1 from you. Wow. Broken link. Lots of guys know about it. Tell me about broken link building, guys. Tell me about broken link building. Okay, okay, okay. Let me, but I don't know what is happening. Like, wait a minute. Okay, lots of people know about it. That's not a broken link, brother. That's a roundup post. I know. So I want someone, just type yes, and I will give you opportunity to explain this to everyone. I will give you opportunity. Like I want this session to be engaging. Just type yes in the box. Yeah, Shubham. Let me give you opportunity this time, brother. Shubham. Where are you, Shubham? Spelling S-H-U-B. Shubham Kumar. Hello. Hey Shubham, how are you doing? What happened? Like I unmuted me. I can't because I am in a crowd place. Okay. Okay. No, okay. I can tell you. Okay. I will tell you. I think you guys
energy for the Q&A. No issue at all. No issue at all. No need to feel sorry. Okay. No need to feel sorry. Okay. So what is broken link building? Supposingly I am having a site. One link got broken. Mean I'm linking to a site. Mainly, let's take an example. Let me go to attendees and take a one name over here. Okay. Hemant is over here. Hemant Singh. So like Sheraz Singh's website link broke. I linked to Hemant. Okay, Hemant linked to my site, and my site go down, or my site is related. Something happened. Now the link is broken. Now the user experience of that page is really low because the user data coming to that page will got a 404 page. That's not a good. So what you can do is you can find those broken links and go to sites like, hey man, can you please do that? Can you tell me this is your broken link? Okay, can you please help me to fix it? Like I will give you a URL. You are अगर देसी भाषा में बोलें तो आपको उनको जाके रीच आउट करना है कि भाई आपका ये लिंक टूटा हुआ है, आई एम हैविंग अ रिप्लेसमेंट. आप अपनी वेबसाइट का लिंक देंगे और उन्हें बोलेंगे कि प्लीज प्लेस दैट लिंक ओवर हियर, एंड दैट इज समथिंग जो कि बहुत ही ज्यादा वर्क करता है. आई थिंक 70% कन्वर्जन रेट मुझे जो दिखा है इसके बाद से. ओके, so how many of you know about broken link building? Give me a one. Give me a zero if you do not understand it. Wow. Hemant is okay, commenting now. Okay. So the next stage is roundup post. Getting a link from roundup, like if you didn't, first of all you need to have a connection. Like if you see someone who is posting regular roundups, have a connection with them, ask them like you are posting a roundup something. Can you get that's completely relatable to resource page, but that's a little bit more advanced. You need more connections and something like that. In resource page you are just mentioning links, but here you have to write something like 15 people ask advice, like you have to write on your advice. You need to be an expert. That is something that you will, that's not for you right now, but that's advanced thing. If you are authority in the niche, then you can do that. Okay, so do you want guys to explain it? Like I do not feel कि आपके लिए ये भी अच्छा होगा because जो पहले strategies आपको बता दी गई हैं वो काफी ज्यादा powerful है. Okay, so roundup post is kind of resource page. So let me show you some roundups, guys. Why I'm giving you examples? Can I show you some roundups? Give me a one. I will show you how I got featured on that roundups. One. Wow, you guys are awesome. So I don't know you guys are able to see my screen or not, but yeah. Okay, so this is my page. So this is a broken link, I think. Let me see. Interview with Sheraz Singh. I think it's a broken. That's why this is cut off. Yeah, a broken link on my site, right? You can interview and get your link here. By the way, here it is, a roundup post. So let me tell you this one. Okay, this one. Blogger, WordPress versus Blogger, which one is best? So I got featured on this roundup. So as you can see, if you scroll the roundup, you will see amazing results. Like why Blogger is best, Blogger versus Pro Blogger Cons, Blogger versus website TechCrunch. Like these websites on Blogger, this websites on WordPress. He's given a detailed roundup, and this is kind of roundup thing. Like आपके यहाँ पे testimonial type दिया जाएगा कि what is the best. Wow, what happened, buddy? Electricity gone at my place. Give me a one if that happened to you. Yeah, I know. So something happened, like maybe I will not able to light guy. Yeah. Oh God, nothing happened. Okay, so this is kind of a roundup where I am featured also. So let me switch off the camera. Okay. Some mess happened, right? It's time to feel. Okay, where I am, like founder of YoStar, that's my agency. I'm having this. Okay, So this is something that I given there. Okay, the vote to WordPress. So this is kind of a roundup. You can go to, first of all, you need to establish authority, then go to roundups and build some links, get some quality links. So how many of you like this post, buddy? How many of you liked? Okay, just type in chat box, buddy. Chat box. Type yes, yes, yes. Not able to see anything. Okay, light is gone over here. That's why I stopped the video. So are you guys able to see that thing or not? Tell me, are you guys able to see the thing or not? No? Okay. Let me do it again, okay? Are you guys able to see it now? Give me a yes. Give me a yes. So this is something that I did. This is a roundup on this site, and I got featured over here. WordPress versus Blogger. So this is a kind of roundup post. You can go to my blog, and in this section about me, featured, click on it, and you will get tons of roundup, and you will be able to see what exactly is roundup. And happy news, electricity is back right now, and I am fully pumped up. Okay, so give me a 1 if you like this. Give me a 1 if you like this shit. Give me a 1. Thanks, man. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now we are going to talk about fresh page link building. So that's something that I learned from, I think, I don't know the name, but I learned from someone. It's nothing. It's about like you need to go to Google and find some pages that are completely outdated. Then what you need to do, create a fresh page and tell them like, I want a link from your page. Can you please link it? That's all fresh page link building. Okay. Give me a 0 if you do not understand it. I will explain it more briefly. Zero, 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 zero. Manas was so excited, right? He messaged me. Like, I was so excited for this session. Like, you finally did it. Okay. So, fresh page link building is nothing. So, fresh page link building में क्या होता है? आप किसी पेज पे जाते हैं, किसी साइट पे जाते हैं, okay? You go to that site of particular page and you ask them, okay, this is a page that I am having. Like, can you link to this fresh page? Like, आपके पास एक पेज है जो काफी outdated हो चुका है. Now, I created a new page instead of that. Can you please link to this page? Because your content is really outdated. Can you please link to my fresh page? And इसमें काफी ज़्यादा conversion आता है. So this is something called fresh page link building. I hope you got it. Give me a 1 if you got it. Give me a 0 if you do not got it. Because I am here to help everyone. Okay, okay. One. Wow. Guys, like I want to. Okay. Now we will talk about things to avoid while doing link building. So like okay, once more. So, okay, fresh page link building is nothing. In fresh page link building, what do? You will go to a site, any kind of site, okay? You will tell them, hey man, how are you doing? Like you are having this page. Let me give you a book example. So this is a book, okay? Book is not relevant, but yeah, just suppose this is your book and this is the old page, okay? You go and tell, hey man, your book is outdated right now. Can you please link a new book? And this is the second book. And this second book come up over here. Like I am the updated version of this. Can you please give a reference to this book, to my book in your old book? And when someone do that, then you will get a link. I hope you explained in the example of book. This is an old book, this is a new book. We are getting simply a reference from this book to this. I hope you get that. Give me a 1. Give me a 1 if you got that. Wow, both Vicks are my favorite. Okay. Things to avoid while doing link building. That's some mistakes that I do. And you know what? It's been how much? It's 8:46 and we are completely ended today's webinar. But you know, a secret weapon is, I am having one secret weapon that I will explain in the end, okay? So things to avoid from irrelevant links. So backlinks from, like if you are, suppose if you are running a health site and you're trying to get a link from a irrelevant site, how it will be? Tell me something, how it will be? Like it does make sense? Yeah, you are into that niche, you will not get links, right? People are very obsessed to link to that sites. Yeah, but I will show you strategy in the end. You can, and that's a PBN niche, build some PBNs and things like that. We will completely cover these things, right? In the end. Wow, light go again. Light goes again. Okay. Today webinar is so challenging, right? How many of you agree to it? Give me a one. What the mess happened today? First of all, video was going off, I was getting muted, and now the electricity. Give me your favorite emoji. Like, what is your favorite emoji about that? Give me your favorite emoji. Okay. Rashan Tiwari. Wow. Sidewide, we will talk about that, right? Give me first your favorite emoji. This is the kind of stuff that happening today, but we are doing it. So give me a one for me. If you... Wow, you know what? I am back again. The mess is happening again and again and again. Okay, not problem at all, brother. Okay, so let's go. Like if you're getting link, like if you're having a health site and you're getting link from a suppose a shoe site, then it's relevant. But if you're having a health site and you're linking to a blogging site, that's completely irrelevant. And I will show you technique how you can get links. That is something that I will cover. And avoid sidewide links. Sidewide links are nothing like links in menus, widgets, and in footers. These links are on every site, only on every page of site, and you will get so best link like your site can get penalized. Okay. So how many of you know about sidewide link? Sometimes sidewide link works, right? It's work when you are in a shitty niche. For a short-term project, you can do that. Yeah, not useful, buddy. Sometimes it get you penalized. If you are doing short-term, you can go for it. Sometimes it's happen. There are certain ways to do it, right? Oh, nothing. If you purchase, nobody. Just see the result. Like sometimes it works, sometimes it does not. So it completely depends on niche to niche. So that is something that happened. Okay, that happens. How many of you want to know how to get links for irrelevant site and make it very good? Like no one can see, like how to make a completely relevant to your site. How many of you want to know that? Give me a one if you want to know. Wow. Hello. I'm audible now. I don't know what the mess is happening, buddy. Like I don't know what the Zoom error or what exactly it is. We are having lots of challenges today, but I'm delivering the kind of content I know to you. So give me a one for me. 1 2 2 2 1 2 1 2. Okay. So let's start. So how you can get a link? Supposingly you are having a photography blog and you're having a site in hockey, ice hockey. So how you can get a link? So this is something called cross niching, cross linking. So you will create a relevant content on a blog that is relevant to each other. Supposingly if you are having a niche, like in a niche you're having, okay, photography blog, okay, you will say 20 photography tips for 20 photography nicks for ice hockey, and you can give a link to that site to a relevant page, create a relevant lender and start getting links. And someone is okay, we will talk in the later part of this session. Okay, that's not the topic. So you can do that. Like if I'm having a health blog and a blogging blog, like I will write a blog post on productivity in my blogging blog, how bloggers can be more productive, and I will write a link like what are the things that help you to be productive. Yeah, you can link both other, and that is so good impact that you guys will completely amazed to see that. So how many of you like the idea of cross niching? Give me a yes. Give me a yes. Someone is sending me emojis. What's the name? Roshan. Okay. But tell me one thing. Like how many glasses I consume, or how many glasses of water I consumed while doing the webinar? Give me a number. Let's see. Are you correct or not? I want to see you are 4 or 5. Pretty close. 4. Yeah, 4. I consume 4 glasses, and this is my 5th glass. Like it requires quite energy, right? Okay. So this is something called cross niching. How many of you like the idea of cross niching? Wow, he's telling me exact number. I did not know, brother. Yeah, cross niching is a very good thing. Even Amazon affiliate, you can do that. Like, okay, like I want to let you know, I want to get one thing from you. What is the value, like in the pricing, what is the value of this webinar according to you? Don't give me a shitty number like 1 lakh, 2 lakh. Give me a reasonable number that you think this webinar deserves. Okay, slide is same, buddy. Okay, slide, okay. 1,500, 400, right? Yeah. 3K, 500, just paid, bro. $20, 10 out, 500, okay. Priceless. Now give me a number, right? I want to be a relevant, and I want to know what are the kind of value I provided you and what was your expectation from me. And not a $1 billion, right? You can learn this thing from others by paying $1 billion. $50, 99. Like I have an idea for you. Like I want to tell this something like that I discussed around with my team member around 3 hours ago. Like I can regularly do these types of webinars. Okay, that will be completely free of cost, but sustaining these webinars is very costly to me. Like I'm having Zoom 1000 participant plan, you know, that cost me a lot of money. I'm having ConvertKit and lots of other subscriptions that I'm paying. So I don't know, but I have a way to make it clear. Like it's on you how much you can do. Like I have created a something that you will see. Tell me a good idea or not. I think like let's create a something kind of contribution link. Okay, like if you'll pay me some money, like it's minimum, you can start from 300 rupees, you can pay as much as you can, no limits for that. But this is something that helped me to sustain these things, because you know I'm investing my time, I'm investing my energy, and I'm doing pretty much of stuff. Like today entire day was set up for this, because I always I did webinars by setting, but first time I did webinar by standing in front of camera. And you know, I was thinking like, why not to get a contribution from you guys, like little contribution starting from 300 rupees, you can go as much as you can, and I will do some webinars. Now next question that comes to me, like if someone is paying me, suppose 300 is minimum, you are paying me 300 rupees, what you will get? Like now I think like in webinars, I know today how much people are there. I think 29 people. Honestly, I am 29 people are over there. We reached maximum 80 people in the webinar, in between the webinar. Okay, so 120 recs and 80 people, good number. So let me tell you something, okay? So now I was thinking, okay, like if you do not want to pay, make no difference to me, but this helped me to sustain more webinars like this. So what am I thinking is like you can pay as a minimum amount or maximum amount. It completely depends on you. I will do free webinars, but the guys that paying me money, I will give them something, like I will give them weekly reminders. Like in this webinar was a open webinar, so I give reminders. Like for few of my friends shared this on their Facebook group, and you people are over here. And you know, I was thinking, like, why not to make this some a kind of thing, like where people are paying me and I will give them bonuses. So bonuses are, first of all, you will get my premium support. Premium support mean like, if suppose I am having thousand people Zoom plan, right? Like I can handle 1,000 people in this webinar, but you know, like 1,000 people support answer directly to me is very difficult. So I am thinking, like who will pay me like 300 rupees? I will give them a 30 days entry to my premium group, where you can get everything in 30 days. You will get my premium support. I will answer your queries, and I will give some bonus session to you guys as well, and lots of other deliverables I am having. But you know, guys, this is something that helped me to sustain. By the way, how many of you want these type of free sessions again and again? If I do it paid, I know lots of people, like lots of people registered. I will easily get 10 to 20 people who will pay for me for this webinar. So tell me. Okay, no, not done. It's not done. It's not done yet. Yeah, it's not done yet. Okay. So what I am thinking is, like, get something, like get something from you. I will give you some bonus reminders. Like I created a Telegram group for reminders, but the people who will get, I will give them a premium vault. You will get access to my premium vault, where I will show you my entire template done for your things, and I will help you. You will get a premium Facebook group. You will get reminders. You will get some premium videos to help you. And the amount that you are paying is 300 rupees minimum. You can pay, and you can go as much as you can. That's completely depend on, no force to you, but that is something that helps you to sustain. So tell me one thing, like, is this thing help you in that? Like, this is a thing, like, first of all, I'm not selling a course or something like that. These are simply webinars, and these will be open, but the recordings of this webinar will be provided to premium members. Okay, so that is something that I listen. Give me a yes if you like this idea. Like, it's so sustainable, and you will get the content that no one shares. Give me a one if you like this idea. Okay, yes. Go to yes, 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 yes. Like, this idea is something that I did. So can I send you a contribution link? May I have your permission to send you a contribution link, where the minimum you can pay is 300 rupees, and you can pay as much money as you can. Can I give you a link? Give me a type link in the chat box. I will give you a link, okay, where you can go and pay. Nothing special. Okay. Sure. Okay, I am putting the link in the chat box. You can click on this link. Okay, click on this link. You can go over there and make a contribution. And moreover, one more thing, like I have one more notice, like we are going to pay the 10% of money, like how much you will pay to us. The 10% of money will be donated to poor people or something. We will donate to some organizations or NGOs. So that's something that I like. If you are paying 300 rupees, 30 rupees will be donated, and the screenshot of that payment will be in our private Facebook group. So that is something that I am expecting from you guys. Like 300 rupees is nothing, like nothing for this content that I'm providing. Lots of people are telling $50, someone is selling $1 million, but yeah, this is something that I did. Wikipedia PBN, yeah, in the Q&A part, I'm open for that. By the way, this is my entire offer, and you know what, like this is something that is helping all of us, all of our community. Like if you are paying me, like you are paying me for suppose 500 for a easy calculation, like 50 rupees will be donated. And you know, Zoom plan is so much costly. It's costing me, like it's $400 plan, I think $400 monthly, and sustaining it is good. Like I can sustain it for 2-3 months or 4 months, but when I'm not getting anything in return, how can I do that, right? So this is something that I think of, and I am expecting from you guys, if you can make a little contribution of 300 rupees today, and this will, I will help you, all of you guys, to make this happen. For no, not 400, not in dollar, 300 rupees. Just make a contribution of minimum 300 rupees, you will get everything. So that's all that I think of, like to sustain these webinars or if I not get, like I will do 1 or 2 webinars more. If I not get the enough funds, then I will stop doing this webinar. Like you people know how the value is. That's all depends on you guys. Okay, okay. Someone has said like, Sharaj, what is the benefit that we will get? Okay, like it's not about your benefit, it's about all community benefit. Like this webinars will be like 300 rupees. How much I will earn? Just think of, right? It's around $400, around 30,000 rupees for Zoom, and ConvertKit is costing me around $50. I think it will cost me around $50, and if I scale it, it will cost me more money. And these little expenses I'm expecting from you. That's why I asked for this. It completely depends on you guys. I did not force you to do that, but it's on you. Okay, give me a yes if you've done the contribution, and give me a N if you want to continue in the next session. Okay, no response. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. No response yet. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, okay. No issue at all. So as per my no one narrated, no issue at all. 1 or 2 webinar more, then it will be ended. So let's go to entire presentation. Not able to catch you. Okay, let me explain you. Okay, so let me explain you entire concept again. So the concept is like I will do some webinars, the weekly or monthly, whatever it is. Okay, I am doing this webinar for absolutely free. But you know, if you will pay me, अगर आप मुझे minimum 300 रुपए, if you pay me minimum 300 rupees per month for doing these webinars, like this will be this not you can say citation. This webinar will be free for absolutely. But if you pay me 300 rupees, that help me to sustain these things. Just think of from a perspective, right? I'm paying $400. Like $400 is around 30,000 rupees for this Zoom plan that I'm streaming this webinar right now. I'm paying ConvertKit. I will do some SMS reminders as well in future. And these things are costing me money. But you know, yeah, got it. It's not a big deal. That's why I said you like to make a change. That's the thing that I'm expecting from you guys. Like how many people are there in the webinar right now? I will be honest, around 25 people are there. If 25 people out of 3 people donated, right? 3 people will be around 700 rupees after cutting every GST and donating. 700 is not a sustainable, but yeah, it's a good amount to paying some expenses, you know, like think of a like host perspective. Like you are paying very high amount. I am getting nothing in return. That's something that lacks you, right? Yeah, that is something that lacks you, right? Yeah. So guys, please tell me. So again, here is the link. You can make your contribution or not. It all depends on you. Like 300 rupees is not a big deal, but yeah, that's a link. That's all for now. Now give me an if I can, give me a C if I can continue. Give me a C. So I will go on and we'll cover more techniques. No one is giving me C right now, and some people are over here. Okay, someone given me C. Okay, may I continue? Give me a C. Okay, so that's all. By the way, I think something happened over here. A little thing happened. Let me see. No, nothing. So now we'll be talking about a strategy that's completely changed your mind. You want to know about it? Like I am having an entire sitemap in my notebook. So let me tell you. So I actually built that for you guys. Okay, so here it is. In the beginning it was. Okay, where it is? Are you able to see this? I don't know you are able to see this or not. This is something. Give me a yes if you are able to see. Give me a N. Okay. Okay. So that is something that I did not think to reveal, but I think I need to reveal with you guys because you are given a trust in me. You are in this webinar at this end, and this is something that will help you to get links like anything. How many of you know about iPhone link building? My most favorite topic of this webinar. iPhone link building. Give me an I if you know about iPhone. iPhone link building, no one knows. By the way, I have seen like lots of people are messaging me like Sharaj. Can you tell me about iPhone link building? Yeah, give me a one. Like if one people give me a one, I will be loved it. Like I will give him one-to-one consultation. That's all. One-to-one consultation, 1 hour one-to-one consultation. A direct offer if someone give me a right answer. Because this is something that I learned by paying shit lot of money. No one. Wow. Wow. No one. Wow. Wow. Oh, someone missed the chance. Like you guys have one-to-one consultation call with me. So let me tell you what exactly it is. By the way, iPhone link building is nothing. Okay. You know, I given the example when the new iPhone 11 comes up, everyone is talking about that. My website, my friend's website got lots of links. How many of you know that example? Give me a one. Video post. Okay, actually I not included that in presentation. That's why it's paused at that point. Okay, you know what that incident, right? So one, that thing is very suspicious. Like then just happened. Like I was saying, like what is the thing? Like if iPhone 11, iPhone 10 comes up, you can easily predict. But how you can predict in some other niches? Like how many of you are doing Amazon affiliate? Give me a one in the chat box. By the way, for my inner circle members, the entire video dedicated to this uploaded inside the members area. Amazon affiliate. Okay. Can you tell me your product? Okay. No problem at all. No problem. No problem. Kids. Oh, kids is not a product, buddy. Okay. No problem at all. So let me tell you about iPhone link building. So iPhone link building is nothing. Like it's a way. Okay. Video turned off. Okay. iPhone link building is nothing. It's a way to attract links to new authority site links. So now, supposingly, if you're into drone industry, you know DJI. DJI company always releases a drone with the name of DJI Phantom 4, DJI Phantom 3, DJI Phantom 5. Now it's easy to predict everything, right? Okay, please fast forward. Okay, sure. Like I'm having lots of content, buddy. It's not going to end today. Let me tell you. Okay, so now DJI and these things are easy to predict. These things are easy to predict. Now you know what? iPhone link building is something that give a very good result. Like if you are able to get iPhone photo comes up, you can do it in your niche. Okay, DJI Phantom 6 comes up, just do it. DJI Phantom 6 publish a post and you will get to know about it. By the way, I am having one video in my inner circle member, like how you can find the products that are coming up. So that's not I can show publicly because that's something that's our top secret. So give a top, type top if type top if someone is over here from my VIP community. Top. 4 people are over here. Got it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. So iPhone link building, in you need to find a product. You can easily go and do some Google search, like how to get that product, buddy. Just when you will get the product, it's going to be end. Like you will get the product. Just now try to find some images or leak pics. If you'll get that lead pics before the trend goes up, you will be star in that niche. This is all about iPhone link building. Very powerful, very effective. This single strategy can get you 1 lakh link plus. I'm not joking, 1 lakh link plus. But when I'm talking about 1 lakh link, it means something. Okay. What do you mean by blank screen? I am on the one question for you screen. Okay. So this is something called iPhone link building. So how many of you like the idea behind iPhone link building? Give me a one. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Manas, you will get the video inside. You are my premium member, right? You will get the video inside. I uploaded a video on same topic yesterday. Just go and check out the what that is. Portal, member portal. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now this is a technique that is pretty awesome right now, and this technique will cost you around $500 per link. How many of you want to know about it? $500 per link I'm talking about. Give me a one if you can afford $500. Wow. Roshan Dawari can afford $500. Kunal can afford $500. Manas can afford. Okay, by the way, it's nothing. It's about sponsoring events. Sponsoring events. I'm saying sponsor events. You know, when someone reality or someone special is doing an event in the industry, and when you sponsor the event, like you will be amazed. Like you will say, okay, like $500 for an event, you will say, like, what is this? Like, I can't invest in that money, right? But $500 when you invest in that event, you will get your hoarding. You will get your brand mentioned on your screen in every presentation, and that help you to increase credibility. And you can get a link from their event site, and event sites are very powerful. And you can get link from government sites as well. So this is a simple idea behind it. You can personally DM me because this technique I implemented once and I got a authority link, but I do not want to disclose every process of it openly. Just email me, okay? And that is something that is not affordable by people. How many of you want one more technique? Give me a one. Wow. No one is active here, I think. Just two people are telling, Roshan and Manas. No one is active. Okay. So this is something like, you know what? This technique that I'm going to explain you, this thing cost you money. I mean, when I mean money is hard money, like $500, $1,000, and this technique cost you at least $2,000. How many of you are ready to invest $2,000 in this technique? But you will get authority link from DR90 or 95 site. I know, उतना budget भी तो हो. But yeah, I tell you, like if you are ready to invest that money, then I will give you technique. One person, just one person will, okay. I invested in PR links. I do not know actually. I did not work with me. Okay, so this technique is something that I discovered from my own. So this is something that people are doing, like people from you know the Harsh Agarwal, he's doing it. Like very big bloggers are doing it, and this is something that will very tough and reliable. That is guest posting, or you can say getting interviewed. Like if you got an interview on Link42, entrepreneur, the kind of press release it is. If you do that things, like you will build the authority, you can show, like I'm featured on Forbes, I'm featured on Hindustan Times, I'm featured on what that site is, Bharat Jago, Tribune, the Indie TV, NDTV. Like this is something that you can do, and this is technique that is PR. Go and ask their writer, pay them money, and they will feature you on their site and get a backlink from there. How many of you like this technique? Okay. Mana said I'm waiting for a link building ebook. Ebook is not coming. This is the entire ebook that I'm telling you in the webinar. Actually, this is something that I was eagerly doing, but I said, why to write? Like people did not read ebooks. Why not to create a webinar? And this webinar will be paid after that. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, this is the last technique and the most expensive one. How many of you want to know about? I honestly, I did not implemented this, but I know one person who is implementing and crushing it and ranking on sites like on keywords like start a blog. $10,000 investment it is. Give me a one. Like people are saying one, wow, wow, $10,000 you guys are ready to invest? Really? Like honestly, I do not have that kind of budget right now. Like I can spend $10,000 for a link, but you guys are pretty awesome. Can I explain you? Okay. So this is something that I will not explain right now because people are saying like $10,000. I am laughing right now. Like people are saying $10,000 for a link. Like if you invest around $500, you will get 10 links. 10 authority link can get you rank. But this is something that if you are a PR agency or something kind of a big brand, then you can do. Let's leave this technique. Okay, let's jump to Q&A part. Like I have seen like people are making fun of me right now. So we are at Q&A part. So let me on my video. I don't know. It on ho ja, on ho ja, on ho ja. Yeah, it's not. I don't know what is happening. Video's not coming on. So I am open for Q&A. Have a chat with me. I will teach that technique in premium videos, not here. Okay, it's working now. It's working, guys. Are you able to see me now? I am open for Q&A. Type your questions over here. I will answer all of this. The masterclass is open for Q&A. Just ask your question and I will give you answer. And the masterclass will be ended around 9:45. I will end this on 9:45, but before I can do, if I do not got any kind of question. Wikilinks. What do you know about Wikilinks? What do you want to know about Wikilinks, buddy? Oh, wow, 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 wow. What do you want to know about? Like, let me know any kind of doubts. For PBN, don't do too much cross linking. Don't make a triangle like you are telling the two-tier marketing. Don't do that. And in PBNs, like have a different host. They have a different hosting for hosting your PBNs. I have seen people are paying around $200 for monthly for just for hosting their PBN. How much it takes? Like honestly, it take me 3 years to earn my first $100. A month. It take me first 3 years. So I'm not a good man. I have seen bloggers doing it in 8th month, but it take me first 3 years. Depend on people to people. It grind is real. This is my grind. Okay, type your questions here. I will answer you. Someone is asking me, give me the contribution link. Okay, for Amazon information या commercial पर किस पर ज़्यादा link लें? Have a balance रखो सभी चीजों को. How about today's scenario? I did not got you, brother. So this is the link you can go and contribute. I do not know the name. Comment go up. Room is open for Q&A and Q&A are very low. By the way, how was today's session? Someone tell me, give me your Telegram link. Okay, Shivam is over here. Hi Shivam, how are you doing, buddy? Roshan, out of expectation. What do you mean? Like I was not good one, like I mean, it's bad or good? Tell me something. Okay. PBN hosting. Okay. Do not go for PBN hosting. Just purchase from another site. Go with SiteGround. Go with Bluehost. Purchase hosting from these sites and make it link. I do not rely on some any kind of PBN hostings. Wikipedia I will cover. Okay. Okay. Note comment. Okay. Wikipedia links. So if you want to get a Wikipedia links, it's very easy. First of all, you need a contribution profile. I'm having a very authoritative contributor profile on Wikipedia. Actually, I'm doing 10 to 15 edits per day on Wikipedia. You can take the kind of level my profile is having. And if I add a link, that will be very good. So first of all, add some value, do some good edits, find some like this is not a good content. How can I improve this? Improve those content. And I'm talking about Wikipedia. If you want to know what other wiki links, I will talk about it. Okay. So go on these sites and tell, okay, this is my wiki link. Improve this, improve this, improve this. Give 10 to 15 time. You will get authority badge from Wikipedia. You will get an email for that. Now do some more edits and put your link inside. That's all that you can do. Doing great, doing great. How to write effective email copy so people will open. By the way, how many people open the mail and come to this session? How many people are over here who come through that? I will talk about it. Email copy, right? Hi, Roshan Tawari said hi. You are in my list, buddy. I do not know you actually. You are in my list or not? Someone is asking my Telegram link, right? I don't know, but actually I created this group today. So this is the link. You can go and join. Nothing special. So click on the link. You will get the link of my Telegram. We'll do 2 or 3 more webinars like this. Then I will close this deal. Okay. So I'm having lots of, you can say, contacts over here. So let's see how many people are in Telegram group right now. 8 people are over here. Okay. I created this today. Today only I created this group and people are joining in. Black hat technique for 301. I did not do that. So I can tell you about this. Okay. So from someone is asking how to write an effective email copy. Shivam. Okay. So let me tell you, there are 4 concepts, AIDA, PAS, and there are lots of concepts, right, of copywriting. When you're writing your email copy, first of all, the subject matters most. The good the subject is, you will get more click on it. Like Shivam, you can contact me on any social media. I will make it there because this is entirely based on SEO and you're keeping me in the email marketing. Okay, please contact me there. Black hat, no, 301, I don't know. Have your questions, guys? Room is open for Q&A, like lots of questions I was having in front. Battery down, bro. Kiski, meri ki tumhari? Roshan, tell me your status right now. मेरे phone की या तुम्हारी? Okay, phone की. Okay, you can leave the session, buddy. But I said, like, I am having so much time. Around I'm here from last 2 hours. I'm here. Okay, I'm standing in front of you guys, and this is kind of thing that I do today. Wow. Okay, ask your doubts or ask your doubts, and I will close up the session. No. अभी नहीं बैठेंगे. I will do it after the webinar. After the webinar, बैठ के बात करेंगे. Okay. And like someone is asking me again and again for the contribution link. Okay, I'm sharing this last time, but you can make if you want. And all depends on you. Actually, it's not a force to buy that, but that is something that will help us to sustain this thing. Okay, that's all, guys. So this is the contribution link. You can make until that, right? किसी ने कोई पूछ रहा है कितने कंट्रीब्यूशन आए, एक आया भाई अभी तक, सिर्फ 300 रुपए का. ओके, नथिंग मोर. एक आया, कोई नहीं. आई एम ट्रांसपेरेंट विद यू गाइस, लाइक काफी कुछ आपको बताया एंड दैट्स ऑल. कब तक रहेगा? जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द लिंक, मेक इट until 3 webinars. I will do 3 webinars. If I got something that help me to sustain this system again and again, I will do that. Otherwise we will close this mess. Someone is writing like, भाई पहले तो लोग इतना बोल रहे थे, अभी क्यों नहीं डोनेट कर रहे? I don't know. I don't know, force them, right? I don't know, force them. This is not the thing. It's their own will. They will promote or not. Like, I know you have paid, but yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you. At the end, let me know if you're having any kind of question, or I will close up this session in 1 minute. Okay. Are we guys done? Are you done, guys? Give me a 1 if you're writing. Can you please share the link of Telegram? Like I shared the Telegram group, right? Okay, let me share it again with you. Be on my Telegram, brother. Okay. On 9:30, I will round up the session. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Let me stop the recording.